Hello, this is Kyle Firestone. I'm presenting a very rough beta demo of my final project for this course. This is a solo project. The data from the data for this project comes from the Bureau of Economic Analysis, less economic data broken down by county and individual categories from the year 1969 to 2019. The overall goal of this project was for users to be able to dynamically filter records based on state or region, and then be able to choose a county that would dynamically populate based on the state they chose, followed by an economic category, and then a year or years to look at. And finally, they would be able to choose a plot type to be able to visualize the data. If we look down here, we see we have our data table. It is paginated because it is roughly 90,000 records. Right now, we just see the general United States. If we click further in, though, we see it starts to break down by state and county. Additionally, there was to be a login and registration page where users with admin privileges would be able to add, delete, and update data. Unfortunately, the problem is that almost none of this works. The filtering is having trouble getting the filtering to work when using paginated views. I was originally trying to filter using JavaScript, but when uh, filtering with paginations, it would not uh, filter through the additional pages. If there's no pages, it works just fine. So for instance, if we look at a quick little demo, I can, when this is just the distinct states and regions where we can select a state and easily filter by that, and there's no big problem. However, as soon as we try to paginate the views or the table, that no longer works. So I then tried to uh, submit a post request to the views, sending the data back from the JavaScript to the view file in Django, and then filter the data based on the, the filter that was sent from the post request via JavaScript to the view. And this works, it sends the data, but unfortunately it doesn't actually filter any of this data. I can see the post data being sent and the context dictionary updates, but for whatever reason that I can't figure out, the context dictionary won't apply to this new table or to the table on this page, so nothing actually updates. I do have a quick demo of kind of what it should do, but it's important to know this is a very contrived situation where it just will click the apply button. It'll forward us to a page that is already has manually filtered uh, fields for this table. So for instance, if we select Alabama, we'll look at all counties, so we're not going to filter by county. And if we look at economic category, we'll look at personal income, and we won't filter by year, we'll just look at year. And if we hit apply, this takes us to a new view or a new page where this is manually filtered behind the scenes, just to kind of give you an idea of what it should do. So here we see we have Alabama, all the various counties in Alabama, and just the personal incomes uh, for all of the years for each county. So I'm gonna keep working on this and hopefully get the filters to work at the very least. I would really like to get the plots going as well, but I'm quickly running out of time. So I am optimistic I will be able to get this working. I think I am going down the wrong way with the post request. I'm gonna kind of reevaluate exactly what I'm doing and try a different approach, and hopefully that will work. That is all I have for this presentation right now. Thank you for watching.